所有观众朋友来看过这新闻，唔咱台湾真热，连美国东岸这几天也拢是热翕翕。华府几落天拢是37度的高温，热甲放伫户外林庆蜡像拢扬起，看起来是真恐怖。但咱单位就伫咧烦恼讲，林庆蜡像的头会落落来，就先甲头刷走，想袂到刷走了后变佫较奇怪啊，变做是无头的蜡像。
出名的林肯总统纪念像踩伫日头骹，真奇怪是这个纪念像无头。美国东海岸这几天啊，受风侵袭，华盛顿、哥伦比亚地区的温度目前悬到37度，热甲艺术家伫当地一间小学点出的林肯蜡像，竟然扬起，头壳一直向后担，骹嘛煞分开。
Starting late last week, Lincoln's head started to lean back. Over the weekend, he kind of reached a critical point, and on Monday morning, our team removed Lincoln's head for safekeeping.
这个蜡像悬1.8公尺，重量1300公斤。艺术家制作的时阵研究无共的蜡，到尾是采用结定是伫60度的特殊石蜡。无想到37度的高温竟然互蜡都挡袂牢。林肯蜡像扬起的消息一个传开了后，不少人特别到现场欣赏这个无头的蜡像。
And I was curious, I mean, who thought putting a wax statue outdoors in the middle of summer was a good idea?
I think in some ways, I don't think the heat is a gift for the residents of Washington, but I think for Lincoln this week, the heat has kind of been a gift because it really truly has brought a lot more attention to this project.
测点单位是讲，因为天气状况无法度预测，烦恼蜡像会搁再歹去，团队袂甲头壳装倒转去。美国礼拜开始都面临强要挡袂牢的烧热天气，超过1亿人有受到高温警告。气象单位是讲，这个礼拜美国中西部甲东北部大部分地区也是极端烧热的情形，呼吁民众减少户外活动，做好先热的准备。公司新闻，徐婉玲编译。